Hi, this is Rhett with Miller's RV, and we're going to continue our segments on frequently asked questions, and we're going to talk about vehicles rated under 3,500 pounds and what can I tow. All right, before we jump into the question about the tow rating, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notifications bell, and that way if anything new comes out, you'll be notified of it. And don't forget to send in your questions, and we'll try to get to them as fast as possible. All right, one of the questions that we get, particularly on our Facebook page, and here when we have customers on the lot, is I have a vehicle that's rated at 3,500 pounds. What can I pull? What are my options? What should I do? You know, there's a million different answers to that questions out there. But the standard formula that we've tried to follow around here for the last 35 years is if you're rated at 3,500 pounds, obviously you don't want to go buy a trailer that is dry weight, meaning empty weight, at 3,500 pounds. You've still got to load that trailer. You've also got to consider passengers in the vehicle, propane bottle being filled, you know, battery on the front being added. So you need to build in some play there on what you're rated at. We try to stay somewhere close to 1,000 pounds of leeway. So in other words, if I've got a vehicle that's rated at 3,500 pounds, I want to try and look at a trailer that empty is dry weighted at 2,500 pounds. Now you buy one that's 25, 50, I mean 50 pounds is not going to make that much of a difference, but try to get that 1,000 pound gap. The reason for it, like we were talking earlier, is you still have to load that trailer. And we also want a little bit of play in that number so we don't mess up transmissions or anything like that. Same thing applies if it's a 5,000, you know, on up as far as rating. Try to build that protection into it. Now, as far as options like we would have here, a 3,500 pound rated vehicle, again, puts you at 2,500 pounds. You would want to look at something in a teardrop like a Cortez that comes in at about 2,600 pounds, or at the regular Bushwhacker or the Bushwhacker Plus in the 15DS. Both of those would put you in a 1,900 to about 2,500 pound rated vehicle. And that would be plenty of leeway on that 3,500 pound vehicle. And we keep multiple floor plans in all of those units here in stock. So if you've got questions on it, please don't hesitate. Give us a call here at the dealership, or you can ask a question on our website at millersrv.com, or come in and come talk to either myself, David, or Cam, and we'll be glad to help you and figure out the right trailer to fit your vehicle. And always remember, enjoy the journey.
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks guys, enjoy the journey.